how do I know what kind of tire to purchase? This is a challenging question, and we're here to help guide you and make sure you find the right tire choice for this family vehicle that you drive, the safety, all those kind of things. So first off, we have Michelin, BF Goodrich, and Uniroyal. We're a Michelin dealer, which they make BF Goodrich and Uniroyal, but we could get you any kind of tire. So the tire option is not the problem. It's what is going to be the best bang for the buck on the tires. So one of the big factors, if we look here at our tires, I have a BF Goodrich and a Uniroyal. This row right here, the width, then the depth of that is very important. That's called siphoning. Okay, what that does is that allows the rain, snow, whatever moisture or stuff that is on the road to push off and keep your vehicle having traction on the road. If that doesn't happen, then you're going to hydroplane, right? Which is where we have safety issues. Now, a lot of tires, the cheaper tires especially, will have that siphoning where it's only a portion of the tire tread, not the entire tire. So you drive it for 5,000-10,000 miles, and all of a sudden you've got no traction and hydroplaning. So come to Cars R Us here. We're going to make sure you get a great tire for a great price, but it's going to be the tire that fits you and your family's needs and make sure that it's safe, not loud, and it keeps you having good traction throughout the life of the tire.
877-4277